Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and I'm here to go over our trading day. We had a really wonderful trading day today. Just going over some price patterns with. Now, these are the trades that we're going to actually code for: the sideways action and the movement down. Very hard to see in the middle of the trading day, but they're tremendous. They're tremendous setups and trades. There it is again. Now, I don't think that we had a trade on gold. This was a potential trade here, but I didn't want to take it because it was a small candle body, and it was engulfing a very small B. But obviously, it ran for 12 ticks. And then we had this sideways consolidation pattern, which would have given us a huge move. Now we're going to develop an indicator for showing the sideways consolidation pattern, and that would have been 27 ticks. So I didn't get anything on gold, although there were opportunities there and good ones. On crude, again, we're just looking at the sideways action. And again, you can see sideways, down. As long as it hits the modified 15, sideways, down. As long as it hits the modified 15. Otherwise, there was really nothing else to trade, and those were the opportunities I missed. Next week, we're going to have an indicator that actually shows us that sideways action, and we're not going to be missing those trades anymore. Natural gas was just a terrible chart. There was a setup at midnight, and it's basically formed 5 or 6 candles the entire day. That's 8, 9, 11, 12, 5 candles. I don't know who's trading it, but it's not many people. And then let me just fix these. That sideways action movement is the most powerful trade setup I've ever seen. And we're going to be able to capture it every time. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Now, on the Russell, we got a 48 tick trade. But remember, we require the pullback, and this candle had no wick. So we did not book this as a winner, even though it was a 48 tick trade. I get that. I got this very, very nice trade. It was the move up, the retracement, continuation to the upside, closed it right at the pivot. We made 14 ticks. Then that was a 48 ticker. That was just a killer. Just one tick back would have sucked all of our traders in the room into the trade, and then we would have had a $500 trade. Then I took this trade up here. It was a little aggressive, but it was a break of the 50 on a yellow 50, 15 heading up, order flow and momentum with me on the trade. And the trade went. It went 10. Didn't give us our first target. We need 11 from this area. So I had one off at 9, 2 off at 7. So that was a good trade. Let me just mark it. For some reason, I never marked it on the trade. So we had 117, 110. Nothing else on the Russell. As you can see, there's nothing else to trade. Now, we had made over $450 on those two trades. So I took a last trade on a really nice retracement on the ES, only with one contract, with a move up, the retracement, and we went up for 10 ticks. So 17, 10, and 10, that was our day. We're only looking for 3 winners and out on a Friday. The sideways consolidation pattern into resistance, or the sideways consolidation pattern into support, we're going to be able to call next week with an indicator. So for the day, we had 3 trades and 3 winners. On the 14-tick Russell trade, we took 1 contract off at 6, 1 at 11, and 1 at 10. Now this was actually not a 9-tick, this was a 10-tick, but it didn't change. This goes to 34. It didn't change our net equity. 1 at 6, and we took 2 off at 7. Then I had a 48-tick no pullback trade, which we don't count. Then on the ES, we had a 10-tick trade, but I took it off at +5, and that was on 1 contract. It's 1. This is 1 times 5 ticks. So we finished the day with up 34 ticks, net equity $530. Auto trader, nothing so far. Net equity for the week was $1,402.50. We made money 4 out of 5 days. I had one day where I got clobbered on Thursday. On Wednesday. But we made great money on Monday, Tuesday. Yesterday we made almost $700. Today we made $500. You have a bad day, you just shake it off. Come back and trade conservatively. Don't trade with a vengeance. V for vendetta. You don't trade that way. Maintain your discipline, and that drawdown day will be run over and forgotten about. And it's all part of day trading and just being a professional day trader, taking your lumps occasionally when the market gives them to you, and being able to roll forward. So we had a wonderful week. $1,400 in 2, 402.50. Now, we really would hope you would come into the room for a free trial. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll find a link for our daily net equity in the trading room, a link for our daily net equity to our auto trader for the gold, crude, and Russell, and our link to our daily net equity for the ES auto trader. You'll also find a link to the Contact Us page where you can send us an email, and also a link for the sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. You can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. We hope everybody has a great weekend. We had another great week. I think we're going to have a $6,000 month, and this is with my not taking 7 or 8 no pullback trades and dumping net equity of close to $2,000. And that's because that would have given us an $8,000 week. And that's because without that 1-tick pullback, we can't guarantee that everybody in the trading room is going to take the trade, is going to get into the trade. We only take trades that get our traders in the room into them. And there's no other trading room in the world that does that. They just basically give you an entry and you're in on your own recognizance, so to speak. You get in on a market order, a limit order, a buy stop or sell stop, or buy stop limit, sell stop limit. They don't deal with that. We do. And I didn't book a 48-tick winner today because of that. That would have given us $1,030 in net equity today. But we're not interested in posting big numbers on the website. We're only interested in posting numbers where there's a very high probability that everybody in the room can get these trades. And the thing is, on the no pullbacks, many people in the room get them. There's no pullback, but then they go in immediately on a market order, because all the no pullback trades are huge trades for some reason. We had 1 for 48. Yesterday we had 2 for 17 ticks. They're just huge trades. So if you take a tick or two of slippage on the entry, it doesn't hurt you at all. So That's it for the day, and that's it for the week. And again, everyone have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you in the trading room. Take care.